So I'm an only child of my parents, born 10 years after their marriage, and obviously so I was the most welcome child. And so in Nagars, if you ask any father, what did you give your daughter, they'll say education. So we are not the business community as Gujaratis are known for, we are the academicians. पहले जब राजा हुआ करते थे तो दीवान उनके नागर्स होते थे जो डिप्लोमेट्स होते थे. So that is the kind of community I come from. So हमारे यहाँ आर्ट, कल्चर, म्यूज़िक, पेंटिंग, डांस, ये सब बहुत बहुत मायने रखता है. इट्स एक्सट्रीमली इम्पॉर्टेंट for a Nagar person to be so cultural and so artistic in every way. So obviously, being an only child of my parents, they gave me the best that they could, the best education possible, dance, music. I should not say it myself, but I was that one child from every school and college which is always remembered for a long, long time. I was good at debating, I was good at singing, I was good at dancing. Parents, you know, and especially my mother, who was also from Gujarati theatre. So yeah, that is how my school and college life was going on. And then obviously at the age of 18, I met Darshan and I fell in love with him. And the only aim in my life I had at that point of time was that I'll get married to this man. शाम को जब वो 6 बजे वापस आएंगे तो मेरे लंबे लूज बालों की चोटी बनाकर, कॉटन की साड़ी पहनकर, लाल बिंदी लगाकर, मंगलसूत्र पहनकर, चाय हाथ में तैयार रखूंगी. दिस वॉज माई ओनली एम इन लाइफ. दिस इज वेयर आई बिलोंग. आई हैड नो आइडिया. I was not considered to be a good artist at that point of time because I was too raw, too new. आपकी लाइन्स बहुत अच्छी तरह से बोलते हो एंड जब बॉडी में डांस और ग्रेस होती है तो आपका बोलना, चलना, फिरना बहुत अच्छा होता है. सो दैट हेल्प मी. बट फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम आई वॉज नॉट कंसिडर्ड टू बी गुड. मतलब अच्छे घर की अच्छी बेटी का रोल होगा तो मुझे बुलाते थे. सो देन देयर केम अ पॉइंट वेयर मुंबई में एक पृथ्वी थिएटर है जहाँ पैरेलल प्लेज होते हैं. तो देयर वॉज अ प्ले called Shrungar Kand. हमारे जो सब कांड है उसमें श्रृंगार is about sex. Shrungar Kand. So it was a character, two-character play. And Paresh Rawal and me were acting in that play. I was the last choice for that. Because कोई नहीं मिला तो चलो अभी अपना कोई लेते. She looks right, you know. She is a young girl. So I had a body of a woman and a face of a child which was necessary for that particular character. And that is how I did that play, in which Naushil Mehta, the director, he said that my character is different than what you are as a person. So मेरे में बहुत डांस, म्यूज़िक ये सब था, तो मतलब I had a lot of body language and expressions बहुत थे. So he said, but my character is not like that. So he used to make me stand like हम लोग हाइट लेने के लिए जैसे खड़े रहते हैं ना, अपनी हील भी टच करके, वैसे मुझे खड़ा करके पूरा ड्रामा, पूरा नाटक बोलने को कहते थे. आई यूज्ड टू स्टार्ट क्राइंग. देन ही यूज्ड टू मेक मी स्लीप ऑन द बेंच. हम लोग एक कॉलेज में रिहर्सल करते थे. एंड ही यूज्ड टू होल्ड माई आईब्रोज एंड से कि अभी पूरा नाटक बोलो. आई यूज्ड टू क्राई. आई कुड नॉट डू इट, यू नो. बट येस, फाइनली आई मैनेज्ड इट एंड आई वॉज अप्रिशिएटेड अ लॉट फॉर दैट. But I would like to tell you something about when we talk about theatre, about Marathi and Gujarati theatre in Mumbai. They are hardcore commercial professional theatre. So Marathi में जो dramas बनते हैं, they content wise they are far ahead in everything. In the same way, content wise far ahead. You know, thinking much ahead of its time. So that is how it is, and we have a culture of going to theatre. तो आप बॉक्स ऑफिस पर लाइन लगाकर टिकट खरीद कर आप ड्रामा देखते हो. अनफॉर्चुनेटली यहाँ जहाँ नेशनल स्कूल ऑफ ड्रामा है वहाँ वो कल्चर नहीं है जो आप बॉक्स ऑफिस पर जाओ और आप खरीदो टिकट और एक ड्रामा देखो. एंड दैट इज़ हाउ माई जर्नी ऑफ डूइंग वेरी वेरी नाइस रोल्स बिगैन. In that whole process, in 1984-85, Ahmedabad Doordarshan started. Like every city had its own Doordarshan. After Delhi and Mumbai, there were. So I did some of my best serials at that point of time because I was very young. I was 23, 24 years old. I got all the female-oriented subjects and I did some of the best work at that point of time. So I still believe that my best work is in Gujarati regional, even as far as television is concerned. So this way, that was the time when I was being offered a lot of Hindi films. And I had just given birth to my daughter. And every time I used to get so scared and I used to say, no, my child needs me much more than I need a film, you know. So that is how I never did those films. And all the films, I will not even name the films, are all hits, just even as of now today. But I did not do that and no regrets, you know, because my child needed me much more. So मेरा नाटक तो चलता ही रहता था, and in Mumbai we do 30 shows a month. So I used to teach my child that there are moms who go from 9 to 5 in the morning to work. You have a mom who goes from 5 to 9. मतलब मेरे काम करने का time अलग है. So yeah, that is how my life was going on. I came from a progressive Gujarati family, married into a more Gujarati progressive family. So my mother-in-law was an actor, my father-in-law an actor, my husband an actor from theatre. So those days that was a time of landline. So my dad used to give a call at 10:30 in the morning every day, and my mother-in-law used to say that Appara is sleeping. So my dad used to say, "उठाओ उसे, 10:30 बज गए." So she used to say कि नहीं, 2 shows करके सोई है, बहुत थकी हुई होगी. They said, so साथ साथ में हिंदी भी करते जाएंगे कि गुजराती कहीं नहीं चली तो हम लोग कहीं ना कहीं हिंदी बेच सकते हैं. So that is how सपना ना वावेतर एक महल हो सपनों का in Hindi started. Okay, so we were working in 2 languages. Those days there was no money in TV. We had no idea what is the kind of work we will have to put in a daily serial. तो हमने काम करना शुरू किया and oh my God, आज सुबह में 7 बजे सेट पर पहुँचे हैं, कल सुबह में 4 बजे निकल रहे हैं. That is where we realized, oh my God, there is so much of work and absolutely no money. क्योंकि हम लोगों को लगता था एक्टिंग करने के पैसे थोड़ी लेने के होते हैं, वो तो नाटक में से अपने को मिल जाते हैं. माई फर्स्ट कवर वॉज 125 rupees, एंड देन बाय द टाइम आई वाज डूइंग सपना नवावेतर एक महल हो सपनों का, इट वॉज 1,000 rupees. So that is how it all started. And then that serial was the first daily serial of satellite channel which came in Hindi, Ek Mahal Ho Sapna Ka, on Sony. So when this serial of mine was going on, I got a call from Balaji Telefilms, and we were shooting in Mud Island, okay? And वहाँ बिल्कुल तभी तो नोकिया के फ़ोन होते थे, सिग्नल ठीक से होता नहीं था, and we are across the jetty and everything. So वहाँ तो बिल्कुल सिग्नल, हम लोग ने एक चौक से मार्क करके रखा था कि यहाँ थोड़ा सा सिग्नल आता है, ऐसे 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 करके हम लोग बातें कर लेते थे. All of us had children, so मैं 4 बजे के बाद, after my daughter would reach back from the school to, so she said around 27-28, I said, oh, excuse me, I'm not doing it. वहाँ मैं थर्ड बहू का रोल कर रही हूँ, I don't know to jump age this way. So and I went away. Then again I was called, no, at least you think about it and all. And finally I said yes. What I would have missed in life if I would have said no even that day. That was Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi. So Star was half Hindi and half English at that point of time. So with this Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi and KBC, it was going to be totally Hindi, so Star Plus and Star World became English. So that is how Kyunki ka shooting began. And the money was much more. हमने तो कभी सोचा ही नहीं था कि इतना पैसा मिलेगा इसमें. हाँ, मतलब it was so new for us. वहाँ हम लोगों को 1,500 rupees 2 लैंग्वेज के पर डे मिलते थे. यहाँ तो we started with 4,000 rupees and oh my God, we had never heard of money like this. तब क्या था ना, that time only Gujarati and Marathi actors from Mumbai were acting in TV. बाहर से नहीं आता था कोई. Now it is only outsiders and we are in minority. हम लोग मुंबई के कम होते हैं. So that is how it all started. And Kyunki went on air. And it changed the history of Indian television completely. KBC and Kyunki on 3rd of July 2000, and it changed the history of Indian television. मुझे जो भी हुआ है ना, हमेशा ऐसे ऐसे अचानक हुआ है ना. So I become like my mouth fell open, and he says that I'm making a film called Devdas, and I'm offering a very tiny part, but I feel that you fit the role perfectly. And of course, when Sanjay Leela Bhansali says something, you don't even have to ask the question, right? It was a mind-blowing experience. So he said, can you come over? वो दिवाली का दिन था, मैं आलू की टिक्कियाँ बनाती थी, ये सब हो रहा था, लेकिन I said, yes, I'll come to your place. So when I reached his place, at Yari Road, his mother opened the door, Leela Ben, and said, in Gujarati, she's telling me, मैं तेरा नाम suggest करियो. She said कि मैंने तेरा नाम suggest किया. Yeah, she says I'm watching क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहुत ही daily, and I told Sanjay you have to cast her. Oh my God, I was like, and it was. So many youngsters have seen this and told me that, you know, ma'am, we want to lead a life like you. I said, really? Such में? It's not easy, it's not nice. It really, but they were all commitments. मैं दोनों commitment रखना चाहती थी. There were times when I had no time for home. My daughter had to call me up and ask me. Those were not very nice things happening. So career-wise, yes, it was great. But personal life-wise, it was very tough, you know, but my mother was living with me after my dad's passing. So मेरा घर perfect चल रहा था. So I was not worried about that, you know. So yes, time to time Gujarati household चलता है, वैसे चलता था. You know, आम के सीज़न में आम रस भी होता है और अचार भी बनता है और सब कुछ होता है. Time to time सब होता था. उंधिया के सीज़न में उंधिया भी बनता है. So yes, my home was running very well, but very, very nice, you know. I was, मतलब, you know, we had no right to fall sick. सिंपल दूसरी चीज़ है तो मैंने पूरे फैमिली में दोनों तरफ हाथ जोड़ दिए थे कि प्लीज़ डोंट एक्सपेक्ट मी एनीवेयर. डेली सीरियल में काम करना क्या होता है दैट नोबडी नोज. आवर लाइफ इज रिटन डाउन. अ टेलीकास्ट कॉपी हैज़ टू गो. इट कैनॉट नॉट गो. इफ इट गोज लेट then the producer will have a very big penalty on him. So 7, 8 years of, क्योंकि मैं कौन बीमार, कभी तो कोई पड़ेगा ना बीमार. So you know, if हम लोग बीमार पड़ेंगे, नहीं पहुंच सकते हैं सेट पर, ऐसा है. So they'll say don't worry मैम, हम घर पे आ जाते हैं, आप थोड़ा सा मेकअप लगा लो, ये कॉस्ट्यूम हम लोग लेकर आएंगे, पीछे वॉल लगा देंगे, आपका क्लोज काट लेंगे. Okay, we have all done that. Smriti playing Tulsi, up to the previous night of her first son being delivered, she was working with us. Next morning she did not reach the shooting, so the scheduler calls her and says, "मैम आप अब तक पहुंची नहीं है." So he says, "अरे संदीप, मेरी डिलीवरी हो गई." तो क्या, अच्छा 2 घंटे में पहुंच सकेंगी? So we all scolded him कि पूछो तो सही कि उसको बेटा हुआ है कि बेटी हुई है. तो ऐसा जब सब होता है तो you do get tired of it also ना. So this is what makes you go on, you know. आज का ऑडियंस तो नया है. I cannot afford not to perform well today, you know. So every person counts, you know, sitting in the auditorium. मैंने सोचा मुझे तो वो evil ठकुराई नहीं play करना पड़ेगा. So you know, I said now क्या करूँ? That was a time I got offended. So that way also it's a very insecure profession. And nowadays because of social media everybody feels के 20 सेकंड का एक रील बना लिया तो मैं भी कर सकती हूँ. नहीं, ऐसे को जब भी कास्ट करते हैं तो रिप्लेस करना पड़ता है. बिकॉज अदरवाइज व्हाट इज़ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन अ परेश रावल और नसीरुद्दीन शाह और ओम पुरी, और व्हाट इज़ द डिफरेंस? सो एक सीरियल मिल गई तो बस हो गए हम लोग स्टार, ऐसा नहीं होता है. यू हैव टू बी कंसिस्टेंट. देयर इज़ नॉट अ सिंगल न्यूज़पेपर और मैगजीन इन इंडिया एंड अब्रॉड हु इज़ नॉट इंटरव्यूड मी. सो India Today, The Week and Outlook are 3 magazines who never cover films or TV. So they took my interview. So in this one of this magazines, it was written, they took my interview and it was written Queen of Soaps. And that is where I was asked, are you the Sachin of especially all this internet and social media, because we are the generation who did not even have computer. So we learn a lot from them, they learn a lot from us. So it has been a very fruitful journey. The other things that happened to me because of क्योंकि और my work is that मेरी सबसे बड़ी ज़िंदगी की यात्राएं क्यों मेरे काम की वजह से हुई है. बीट महाकालेश्वर का महाअभिषेक, या अजमेर पर चद्दर चढ़ाना, या जैनों की ध्वजा चढ़ाना, या फिर माता जी की पंडाल का ओपनिंग करके 125 फुट की माता जी की मूर्ति का ओपनिंग, मतलब पहली आरती करना. तो मैं सबको कहती हूँ कि शी पास्ड अवे हैप्पीली एट 91. वेरी हैप्पीली शी पास्ड अवे. सो शी वॉज ऑलवेज देयर फॉर मी and my husband was always there. My in-laws, they have been such wonderful people, you know. So that way if you go to think मेरी life में वो सब struggle नहीं आई है कि कैसे मैं करूँगी. Those things maybe, you know, my daughter told me don't sound privileged, you know. I don't know whether I'm sounding privileged or not, but yes, I got very progressive people around me. And that makes such a big difference for a female to be in any profession, and especially in a profession like this जहाँ कोई time की limit ही नहीं होती है. मैंने और स्मृति ने और हम सब actors ने 45 hours, 50 hours, 60 hours एक one go में काम किया है. We are sleeping there, कहीं पड़े हुए हैं सेट पर ऐसे सोकर, director will come and say please एक close. उठेंगे with bloodshot eyes will give one close ऐसे खड़े रहकर. ये सब हमने किया है. So when you leave home and when you go back home, there is no time limit. तो कोई ये तो नहीं चलाएगा ना. But so I was so lucky to have people around me who understood what work I was doing. So yes, God has been extremely kind to me. I've never had to look for work, but after the work came to me, I've been very honest to my work. See, you will get opportunities in life, lots of doors will open for you, but then you are supposed to walk. पढ़ते गिरते पढ़ते आखिरते मैं जहाँ पहुँची वहाँ पहुँच गई. मुझे दर्शन ने कहा कि you should be looking for good directors, good writers. मैं वहाँ ऐसे करने लगी. फिर मुझे कहा कि now you should be looking for this. तो वहाँ करने लगी. And all the reality shows that I did उसमें comedy circus कर रही थी. And this one had come as the guest judge, Farah Khan. So she saw my act and she says, "Oh, Apra, you are so good, whichever next film I'm going to do, I'm going to cast you." That was Tismar Khan. She looked for my number, she got in touch with me. I said, "Farah, please don't cast me. मैं तो TV actor हूँ, मेरे पास dates ही नहीं होती है." So she's telling me, "No, I'll work around your dates, don't worry." And that is how Tismar Khan happened. And when I went for the trial, suddenly सबकी line मेरे सामने लगी हुई है, and everybody's telling me, my mom is a big fan of you. Akshay Kumar told me that. Karan Johar had come, he told me that. So many people. जब भी मेरी लाइफ में ऐसा सब हुआ है ना, तो I go like my mouth falls open और मैं ना ऐसी हो जाती हूँ, लेकिन मैं bird's eye view से अपने आप को देखती हूँ. ये कैसे? This cannot be happening to me ना. I'm a normal Gujarati middle class housewife. ऐसे कैसे मुझे ये सब हो रहा है? So these are the things which happened in my life. And I hope God has been so kind to me and remains so kind to me. People have loved me so much for my work, and I hope everybody keeps on loving me. And as long as people want to see me, and I will keep on entertaining everybody. And so thank you so much for calling me for this TED Talk. I don't know whether I've been able to inspire you or not. मुझे पता नहीं है कि मैं इंस्पिरेशनल थी कि नहीं, but I hope you all have got some good things out of it. Thank you so much.